लेकिन फिलहाल हम आगे बढ़ते, एक और बड़ी खबर आ रही है आपको दर्शकों बता दें। TV9 भारतवर्ष के कॉन्क्लेव में रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। दिल्ली धमाके के गुनहगारों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, ये बात राजनाथ सिंह ने कही है। साथ ही ये भी कहा कि मामले की तह तक जाकर हम आरोपियों का पता लगाएंगे। भारत की जांच एजेंसियां पूरी तरह सक्षम है इस मामले को सुलझाने में और दोषियों को दंडित करने में।
लेकिन कल जो धमाका हुआ है वो बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, इसमें कहीं दो मत नहीं है। और इसकी तह तक हम लोग जाएंगे, इसका पता लगाएंगे और जो भी जिम्मेदार होंगे वो पनिश किए जाएंगे।
तो वहीं इजरायली दूतावास की डिप्टी चीफ ऑफ मिशन का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। ब्लास्ट के आरोपियों का पता जल्द लगेगा, रोनी एडिडिया क्लेन ने यह कहा है। रोनी एडिडिया क्लेन की TV9 भारतवर्ष से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत हुई है। भारत की जांच एजेंसियां अच्छा काम कर रही, उन्होंने ये भी कहा है। आपको हम सुनाते हैं कि क्या बातचीत हुई है हमारे संवाददाता मनीष झा के साथ।
I would like to ask you that what you want to share with us at present right now after the blast and related to this incident.
Yesterday at a little bit before 5 o'clock in the afternoon, just as the beating retreat ceremony was going on in Delhi, and on the same day that we were celebrating 29 years to the relationship, the diplomatic relations between India and Israel, there was a blast outside of the Embassy of Israel in New Delhi. Luckily, no one was injured in this blast. At that time, there were no diplomats in the vicinity, and none of the Indian staff were in the vicinity. So we were very lucky to not have any injuries at all. There was some damage to some vehicles that were in the area, but other than that, we consider ourselves very fortunate to have past this incident with no injuries to people at all. As of right now, the investigation is ongoing. Israeli and Indian authorities are cooperating in the investigation, and we hope that we will find the culprits as soon as possible.
Yes, ma'am. Since investigation is going on, so my question is: do you have any suspect on any organization or particular any country at this stage?
Not at this point. It's too early in the investigation. It's been less than 24 hours since the incident happened, and while we may have some suspicions, we don't have anything concrete yet to base those on.
Ma'am, what do you feel? How was the coordination between both country, the coordination between the leadership and the coordination between the different kind of security agencies after this incident?
I must say that the cooperation between our two countries is really amazing. Within hours of the incident, Foreign Minister Jaishankar called Israeli Foreign Minister Ashkenazi, and they had a very good conversation in which the Indian Foreign Minister committed to helping the Israeli side and to finding the culprits. Just after that, there were conversations on the senior professional level between our Director General of our Foreign Ministry and the Secretary of the MEA, who also committed to finding the culprits. There have been conversations also between the heads of the NSA. And so we feel that the cooperation, not only at the high level, but also on the ground, is really very, very good. And we are very pleased that our friendship, which has been blossoming over the past years, is also finding itself in this very unfortunate situation, is making itself felt in a very, very good and constructive way.
So, ma'am, since you have already mentioned about the particular day, yesterday, when both nations were celebrating about the friendship anniversary of 29th anniversary. So do you think that the incident happened yesterday? Is there any message related to this anniversary? Is there any indication related to the relationship enjoying by the both nations?
No, there actually, none of the signs that we have received related directly to that, but because we were so involved in celebrating this anniversary amongst ourselves, we sort of made this connection. I leave it to the people who are investigating the case on the ground in order to actually come up with the answers regarding that. But we seem to see a connection here.
फिक्र आपकी, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 9 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।